Good morning Pilipinas. Good morning Philippines. We are at the Baguio Country Club. So we are here in the Baguio Country Club for hobbies practice day. My cousins are with me and we're going to move around later on. That's Habibi walking. Hi cousin! Hello cousins! Smile! Hello cousins, smile! And your face will be shown around the world. So this is the surrounding areas of the Baguio Country Club. There are houses down below there. Everywhere you go, there are houses on the top of the mountains, houses at the bottom of the mountain, at the middle of the mountain. Hello cousins again. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
enjoy today, alright?
Okay.
Okay, cousins, say hello to my fans.
Hi.
My fans are from Canada, USA, Australia,
Nice to be here in Baguio.
Philippines, South Korea, everywhere. And that is a nice tree. Ang ganda, nice red leaves. The leaves become red.
Ay, walang ya. Sige na. Go, go.
Wow!
Lagay mo na lang.
Look at the leaves. They're red. Nice. I like it. This is the Baguio Country Club. Come here. Good morning, good morning. We're here to play golf and do some vlogging. Look at this beautiful swimming pool with beautiful flowers. So that's my cousin. Say hello, cousin.
Hello.
Say hello to my fans.
Hello, fans.
Oh, this is beautiful. Ganda. Okay, we're going to get the player playing now. So the round one there is a spa, and there's some kids stuff. Wow, people can come and practice here and play. And look at this. I like this. Those logs. Habibi, are you ready to play? Yeah?
Yep,
Good on you.
I'm ready to play. As soon as you finish vlogging, I'm playing.
Oh, look at those wood.
Pwede
Those-
pa kayo mamaya pagbalik.
Row logs.
Take your time. We have plenty of
Oh, the golfer is ready. He's ready to play. And look at those roof. nice and unique. I like them. Hello, cousins.
Hello, cousins.
How are you? Are you enjoying today?
Yes, of course.
Okay. That's the structure. You can book in there. That is that's the hole 18 there. Wow.
It's a par 3.
And they call this the fairway? Huh?
That's the green.
Just the
With the
green
flag.
with the flag. What's green? You learn that later on. And ito, this is the hotel, the Baguio Country Club. There's a lot of golf bodies there now. Flowers. Flowers. Always extend, mana.
It's up to you to decide. Parang dito tayo lagi
So this is the guest area. And that's where the players are starting their game. Welcome to 72nd Phil-Am Invitational Baguio City Club Cup John Hay. Okay, Habibi is playing there. Good luck, Habibi. My cousins, say hello, cousins. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, this is the entrance. Welcome. Those are my cousins again. They're thankful. They are with us and we are with them with a free car. Okay? So that's a Phil-Am. That Phil-Am sign there. Yeah. And nice flowers. And that's the clubhouse. Look at the flowers. They're still blooming. There will be nice houses later on. Those are the tribe costume in the olden times.
Oh, maganda naman yung araw. It just look.
Very nice decors there. I feel Christmas. You can feel Christmas here now. it's practice time in Camp John Hay. We'll see later some houses owned by Americans. Back then, they stayed here for a while in Philippines, particularly in Baguio City, where the weather is very cold. The golfers are talking. These are the Sydney group. So they can tee off there. Those are the mountains we passed by coming here. There's more of those houses here, beautiful houses.